Hi, and welcome to Chef's Review. In this episode, I want to present to you a double contact grill from Royal Catering. Before I start, one piece of advice. When you get the machine, always remember, first, just clean it down because it might be a little bit dusty. And before you use it first time, always spray with a bit of oil, turn it up to maximum temperature, let it sit there for a while, so let's say 5 to 10 minutes. When the smoke clears, wipe it down with a piece of paper towel and the device is ready to be used. I've already done it because it takes a while, and to show you what it does and what it has, I prepared a steak with some vegetables to see it in action. Alright, so first, season our steak. Red meat loves seasoning, so don't be stingy. Some salt and pepper, a drizzle of olive oil over the meat and the veg, and on it goes. As you can see, the hood is divided into two. And what's the advantage of it? Alright, first of all, there's two temperature regulations, so you can set different temperatures for each part of the grill. So let's say for meat, I will have around 220, 230 degrees. For vegetables, I don't need the temperature to be that high, and I put it around 180, maybe 200 degrees. Alright, what's the other advantage of it? Well, the device, each part of it is individually powered. Each part works with 1800 watts. So let's say in the morning when it's not so busy, you can turn one part off and save electricity. In the afternoon, when it gets more busy, you can turn the other part on and off you go. So it's a matter of efficiency. While it's cooking, a few other details. Stainless steel construction, obviously, it's standard for this type of device. Stainless steel is very robust, scratch-proof, heat-resistant, and it's easy to clean and maintain. The handles have a plastic heat-proof grip on it, so you won't burn yourself during service. The heat plates are grooved, ribbed on both bottom and top, so they will leave those nice grill marks on your food. There's the drip tray, which is removable, so when you clean it, just put it in the dishwasher and or wash it by hand, doesn't really matter, put it back on and you're ready to go. There's few indicator lights on the bottom. Green one shows that the device is plugged in, the orange one shows that the device is heating up. Once it reaches the service temperature, it goes off, so that's your signal that you can start working. Obviously, it's not only to grill steaks and vegetables. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So you can use it as a sandwich press, as a panini toaster. You can use it in burger shops and kebab shops or food trucks or in a restaurant. So it's a very versatile device. If you're looking for one of those, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of different contact grills with different sizes, different shapes. You will definitely find one that suits your needs best. With the device, you'll get a 3-year warranty, and it will come in a box just like this one, with really sturdy cardboard, lots of packaging material in it, styrofoam with a really tight fit. Believe me, it took me a while to get it out of the box, so it will stay safe during transport. Alright, I think my steak is ready. Let's have a look. Well, it looks ready. So just quickly plate it. Some vegetables on top. Just like that. Okay, garnish on top. And the dish is ready to be served. And that brings me to one of the most important bits, the cleaning. In order to clean it, you have to turn it off, let the device cool down, get a steel scraper, scrub it with a bit of detergent. As I mentioned before, the drip tray is dishwasher safe, or you can wash it by hand. And after service, just wipe it down with a paper towel and spray with a little bit of oil. So that's about it if it comes to cleaning. If you want to save time, I've seen some cafes do it. They put some baking paper on the surface and on top of the product. So you won't need you won't need that much time scrubbing it. Okay, so let's summarize. It looks good, works well, it's easy to use. What else do you need? So if you like the video, just leave us a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you very much guys for watching, and I see you next time.